My name is George Ongere, and welcome to Town to Home Investment Ideas. Just like I said, this channel helps people to know ideas that they can actually invest at home while they're in town. I have very many investments at home, and I live in Nairobi. So the reason why I started this channel is because sometimes back before Corona, a donor, you know, I have humanist orphans. If you look at the channel, you'll find that I was sharing some children that I sponsor at home. So the donor bought to me that machine, and so just for reporting, I posted that video on YouTube. It was not meant for public, but I put it as a public, but the main was to share it with the donor, how it worked. But during Corona, I realized that the video started getting too many views, and people started asking me. I was getting too many questions from people all over Kenya, all over Africa, asking me that what is this machine, where did you buy it, and how can we get it? So I realized that many Kenyans did not have any idea about this machine, and that's why I started this channel, Town to Home Investment. As you've seen, I've never been posting a lot of videos in the past, but I realized that because these questions, I realized that many people wanted too many information about about some of the investment that I do. So I decided to start this channel, Town to Home Investment. And so if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll be posting regularly. Please subscribe so that you can know some of the ideas that has really worked for me at home. Now, one of the questions that people ask me that I feel that I've not answered well is about the Popsicle machine and how much it cost. The Popsicle machine and how much it cost. So, you know, when you want to buy a Popsicle machine, you must have known the market and the people that you want to give this kind of service. You know, when you are buying a machine, you should know that probably you are going to be a wholesaler. A wholesaler means that most people will come and they'll take this ice they'll take this ice from you, and then they'll send them in retail. Yes, because you know, when you have the machine, when you are using the deep freezer, okay, that one you will be a retailer because probably you are not making too many ice. But when you decide to purchase this machine, it means that now you will be supplying too many ice to different markets. So one of the things that you will do is either you decide that now you want to be a manufacturer, whereby your work is only to make ice, and people come and take from you, and then they sell. You sell them in a wholesale price. Yes. So now, when you want to buy a machine, you buy according to the molds. It is the molds that determine the machine. Yes. We have one mold machine up to even 10. It depends on what you want to do with the machine. Yeah. So currently we have one mold machine. That one costs around 80,000. Yeah, if you want to go with that, but currently I think that many people do not make a lot of this kind of machine that has one mold machine. Then we have a two mold machine. Two mold machine goes for around 110,000 Kenya shillings. Yes, it goes for that. For those of you who are interested in Popsicle business, there's this book called Understanding Popsicle Business by Elizabeth Adongo. This book has rich content, and this is where I got ideas from. If you look at the content of the book, it has very rich ideas that can really help you. For example, getting started. And actually, there's chapter 1 attached below there. You can download it and actually see the rich content. The book is very good. If you want to have this book, simply use the M-Pesa. For those who are in Kenya, you can use M-Pesa. Yes, M-Pesa is attached in the screen. You can see the M-Pesa. Now, for those who are not in Kenya, we have this book at Amazon, both Kindle and paperback. So if you really need this book, you just go to Amazon. Yes, we have put the link down below, so just click it, then go to Amazon. We have, the book has both Kindle and also it has a hard copy, which is a paperback copy. We have a 3 mold machine. A 3 mold machine will go for 125,000 Kenya shillings. Yes. And then we have a 4-mold machine. It's going for around 160,000 Kenya shillings. Then we have a 5-mold machine which goes for around 210,000 Kenya shillings. Then we have a 6-mold machine which goes for around 270,000 Kenya shillings. Then we have a 7-mold machine that goes for 320,000. So I'm just giving you a price that I'm just giving you prices that I saw somewhere. You can probably, the people can give you commission, they can be lower, or some people sell them higher depending on where you're buying them. You know, you might be buying them at home. At home they are a bit expensive, but if you're in Nairobi, I think they are cheaper. So those are just the rough prices of Popsicle ice machine molds where you buy them. Yes.